4th of July. Try to just taking some pictures. I ain't got nothing else to do. What else can you do this 4th of July? Nothing. People gonna have gatherings. I smell barbecue already. Somebody barbecuing, but not I said to fly. We not having our annual 4th of July this year. We ain't messing with Corona. My auntie said she ain't messing with Corona, not this year. So I just got cute for no reason. When you determined to barbecue on the 4th, put you some charcoal already light. Every bag was $3 at Family Dollar. You got a pan, 2 of them pans, so it's $1.50. Put you some paper in there to get it lighted, and use one of these little grill things right here. See, it's a little grill handle thing. See, and that's your grill. Great, make up some hot dogs last minute on the 4th of July. So now we got the hot dogs on there in the grill basket, and that's your homemade grill. We're gonna see how it does, y'all. We're gonna see how this little bootleg grill does. It's cooking. See, it's cooking. See that smoke coming up out of there. So we're gonna see how it does, YouTube and Instagram. Hey, they didn't have none of those little $5 grills, so you have to make your own. Which is a good idea. $1.50 for the pans. You get 2 pans, but I only need 1. And then $3 for a little small bag of ready light charcoal, $2.50 for the lighter, but you already have a lighter, and $5 for the grill basket, but you can use that when you get a real grill. Grill basket comes in handy. You can just flip everything at one time. So yeah, I got my African look going on today. I'm at my godmom's barbecuing on the 4th. See my little hair I did. I'm practicing these hairdos so I can get that bridal video up for y'all YouTube. But yeah, this is my little... Remember, I got this from the hair stores in the video. Go back and look at the beauty store haul. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today, 4th of July. African queen theme. These hot dogs are already browning on the other side. See that nice brown down there? You know you gotta have the hot dogs good and burnt. Go on and flip these. Here. Get in the dish towel to flip them, y'all. Look, we flipped them. I flipped them. Got that good burnt on them. Some of them rolled over a little bit, see? They burnt too, Got that. You gotta put the sauce on these dogs. And some of them gonna stay on a little longer, some coming off.
No,
Push that red one and just take your hand off, see if it's recording.
I think it might be recording.
Put it the other way.
Yeah, but then if I do it the other way, I won't get the full thing of you.
You can't get the whole, but if you go that way, it's not gonna look around like
See, I can do this way.
They can see part of it.
Okay. They won't see you. They won't see
They
you.
don't have to see me. They can see my hand that I'm doing this.
Okay.
All right, there we go.
I hope this is recording.
We don't know, because you don't know. Okay, I'm going to get this off here. But me and Miss Valerie learned a good lesson. You have to put a skillet on here because look what happened to the table. Yeah. Don't put it on a plastic table like us. We wasn't thinking. We was just trying to eat some hot dogs. But she said she had it for 15 years, so it doesn't live this life. Rest in peace, yellow table. Gonna have to get another one. So this is the sweat. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's hard work. It's sweat. Y'all can't really see it, but I know it's there. Sweat from doing this grilling on this 4th of July, y'all. So we got 3 left on here, 3 little stragglers. We'll see how they do. The rest of them are good and burnt and grilled on up. 3 little stragglers, y'all. And this is the finished product. Look at them dogs, good and burnt, y'all. Ain't nothing like some burnt hot dogs on the 4th of July. Have to put them on the bun and eat them on up, y'all. Happy 4th to the people celebrating. And happy day for those who ain't. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment below. Thank y'all for watching. God bless you. Be blessed and be a blessing, Team Random. See y'all in the next video. See Miss my godmother's flowers. Miss Valerie's flowers. She want everybody seeing this is a tomato plant. She got another one over here. Another tomato plant. But this is my good old plate, y'all. I'm about to tear this up. Look at these dogs. Look at these good burnt barbecue 4th of July hot dogs. They already doing fireworks and it ain't even dark out here yet, y'all. Wear your outfit. Yeah. Got my cup of ice too. It been sitting in the car for about 2 hours and it only melted down that much. And it's 90-something degrees out here, people. Fireworks is going. You see it's light outside. It's getting dark. It's about 8-something. I don't know what time it is, about 8-something. But yeah. You hear all that noise, that's the 4th of July fireworks. I might show y'all some if downtown does it. Might show y'all some of them at the end of the video. So it's like 9:30 and it's just now getting dark. I thought it was 8-something earlier when I told y'all. No, it was 9. Now it's like 9:30. People, they doing their fireworks and stuff on down the street on her street. At my godmother's house. Yeah, they doing them down the street. They doing them everywhere. You hear noises everywhere. People, they having a birthday party over there. They partying and everything. They act like COVID ain't going on, but we ain't partying. It's me and Miss Valerie over here. But we get free fireworks. And hopefully the downtown fireworks, if they still doing them, will be soon. I can show y'all a little bit of that. I thought I heard one, but I didn't see it. So if you can see it from here, then I'll show y'all a little bit of that. But yeah, everybody's doing their fireworks, but it's so light out here that it's kind of like it's being wasted, even though it's like 9:30 p.m. But yeah, that's the artwork on the store over there. See, show y'all that. It's like Black History stuff, Black History, Lexington Black History, and then some graffiti supermarket. Yeah. It ain't started downtown yet, but it's so light. I guess it'll get dark in a second. It'll get dark quick. Because these people is wasting their fireworks right about now. You can see them, but you can't really see them. Bunch of cars. So we got the fireworks shows going on everywhere now. But the downtown fireworks ain't started yet. We got some good in the hood fireworks. These people's partying like it's a normal 4th of July. I'm trying to tell y'all, not me. But I like to see their fireworks from a distance. From a distance. Let's go look at this moon. Look at this full moon, y'all. Look at that full moon back here. Full moon back there, y'all. Let's zoom in on it. If I can zoom in on the full moon back there. Big old full moon. Anyway, back to the fireworks. There we go. We got the ground show. We got the air show. We got the 4th of July cracking off. They was doing fireworks on Juneteenth too in my neighborhood. That was 2. That's the Black 4th of July, Juneteenth. This is the whatever 4th of July. We were still slaves. We weren't free. Just a day together with family and friends to eat. That's what they're here. These fireworks here. Okay. Y'all partying though. This is just like it is any other year. If it's cold and us go up in Lexington, Kentucky, you know why? Because they party like it's 1999 and it's 2020 COVID-19. Try to get y'all to see the downtown fireworks. I think they started a few minutes at 10. So yeah, that's the damage. Look, we forgot the cake cooling racks. Put cake cooling racks under your pan for your bootleg grill, okay? Don't melt your table or catch your table on fire. Don't be like us. Be better. behind me, but every time I turn around, they don't light them. Now they lighting them over there. I just can't get them out. I just can't get them. There's the airplane. Let me go back this way, see if I can get something this way this time. Nope. Every time I turn this way, every time I turn around. Oh, there was some over there in the cut. Off in the cut. Yeah, they off in the cut. Fireworks everywhere. Fireworks over there. Fireworks, 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 fireworks. Fireworks everywhere. Fireworks back there. Fireworks everywhere. Fireworks over here. Fireworks here. Oh, that one's up above me. Look. There's another one. All of them. They're everywhere. I think those are the main fireworks for the city. I'm not sure because they're usually not over there, but they're over there this year for some reason. Usually they're the opposite direction. I don't know. Be back in the grand finale. So they almost had a catastrophe. One of them fell over, hit the stop sign, the girl was on course and ran down. But we got fireworks everywhere. Those ain't the main downtown fireworks. They are like a big fireworks show back there. But all the rest of these are just neighborhood household fireworks. People spend big money on their fireworks. Big money on these fireworks right here. Yeah, they spend big money. And this one, I don't know if it's going to have a grand finale or not. I'm waiting for the grand finale, but they're doing like this one every blue moon. Fireworks are better than that. And we can't see the main downtown fireworks because they be way back there. So usually we can, but this year we can't see them because they're supposed to start at 10. It's like 10:20 or 10:30. Stay straight up and don't fall no more. They really close. They really close. Blocking the fireworks, y'all. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. Let me see if I can get in there this way. They got better fireworks back here than I don't know. Ooh, ooh, they everywhere. They everywhere. They everywhere. But y'all can't even see them. But y'all sure enough hear them. it was quick. That big show was down over there. That was one of the good grand finales. They still going down here. Still going. They still going over there. They still going everywhere. It's about 11 o'clock close to it. They been doing fireworks around here since 8:30, 8 o'clock when the sun was still up. Y'all see? But it was 9 p.m. They was doing it a whole hour before the show, y'all know. I think they done on that end. This end, they still got money. I missed it right now. It was like 10 seconds of this other big fireworks show. And the other ones was behind the tree. I couldn't get to myself pointless. But then when they got way up in the sky, it didn't matter.